Well, yung una, he was not, actually, sabi niya kasi nasa hospital siya, he wants to stay in the hospital and have a hospital arrest. But of course, we did not allow that because sabi ng mga doctors niya, pwede naman, ambulatory siya, pwede na siya lumabas, pwede siya maglakad. There's no reason for him to stay in the hospital. So, ang ginawa natin ay in-implement natin yung arrest order sa kanya. So, we asked the SAA and the Philippine National Police to assist the House to implement the order.
Hindi na-qualify sa kanya yung gaya no kay Wilkins na Spirit of Christmas?
Hindi kasi he failed to attend 4 times no? In fact, he snubbed the invitation of the House ng 4 na beses. After coming out in the Senate at marami siyang sinabi sa Senado, nung iniimbita namin siya pabalik dito ay hindi niya na pinapansin ito, no? At yun ang aming nakita na meron siya